Hi everyone, we are from Group 8. Today we are recording Group Discussion 1 about electronic gadgets. We are going to identify 4 electronic gadgets which is going to discuss on this coming following weeks. Before we start our discussion, let me introduce about myself and my group members. Myself, my name is Monisha Balakrishnan and my metric number is B10828.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Revati Subramaniam and my matrix number is B10871.
Hi everyone, my name is Geetanjali Nagendran. My metric number is B10866.
Hi everyone, my name is Kalima Anapumpan Selatambi. My metric number is B10869.
Hi everyone, my name is Dashmin Francis and my metric number is B10774.
All right, let me give some brief explain about the gadgets first. So the gadget is a small electronics and technology-based device that performs some specific functions. Now in technological era, gadgets have become so advanced with the updated technology and are called like a smart gadgets. From my view, mobile phone is one of the smart gadget because mobile phone is a wireless handheld device that allows users to make receive calls. While the earliest generation of mobile phones could only make and receive calls, today's mobile phone do a lot more, such as accommodating web browsers, games, cameras, video players, and navigational systems. Today, with the help of mobile phone, we can easily talk or video chat with anyone across the globe by just moving our fingers. Mobile phones overall are a helpful invention. They also allow users to access the web and document information easily. Apps on the phone allow the user to do many things in the palm of their hands.
Okay, my suggestion is laptop. Laptops are, as we know, laptops are the portable computers that you can take with you and can use in different environments. And then laptops are also meant to be used on the go. They have a battery which allows them to operate without being plugged into a power outlet. Furthermore, there are 4 advantages of laptop which makes me to choose laptop as a gadget. First one is the mobility. It's about the lightweight and the compact size of the laptop, which allowing it to easily move from one place to another. So with this, you can easily access to the necessary data wherever you are. The second thing is laptop is a finished product. So you don't need any additional devices to for this, and it has everything such as its own keyboard, speaker, mouse, and some more. And the third is the internet access. As we all know, laptops provide the ability to access to the internet through wireless connection, as we know, which is Wi-Fi. So with this, we can take our laptop along with us to any public places such as restaurants, cafe, where there is a Wi-Fi coverage. So we can just connect to the internet and we can do our work. And the fourth is the offline operation. Laptop is also convenient for all kind of presentation. So we do not need to depend on the technical equipment of the venue. So for the about the main connection, it's not necessary because since the laptop can work offline from its battery. So these are the reasons I choose laptop. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So I choose power bank. Power bank may be defined as portable batteries that use circuitry to control any power in and power out. They are able to charge in a traditional method by means of USB cable. The use of a power bank is recharge your electronic devices when you are move. Ranging in form of slim pocket-sized devices up to larger, higher capacity power banks. The reason why I choose power bank is the best device because allow people to charge their phone whenever necessary without having to rely finding an electric rocket. Some more easy accessory to carry around. Then they are extremely portable and very small. That's all from me.
Hi everyone, I chose smartwatches. Smartwatch is a digital watch that provide many other features besides timekeeping. Example include monitoring your heart rate, tracking your activities, and providing reminders throughout the day. Like a smartphone, a smartwatch is also have touchscreen display which allow you to perform action by tapping and swiping on the screen. Modern smartwatch include several apps similar to apps for smartwatches and tablets. These apps provide additional functionality such as displaying weather information, listing stock prices, and displaying map and direction. Most smartwatches can also be used to make phone calls and send and receive text messages. Many smartwatches have color display, but some inexpensive models use a black and white e-paper display. The user can operate the smartwatch through a touchscreen, physical button, and combination of two. Now, smartwatches available in Sony smartwatches, Samsung Galaxy Gear and Gear Fit, Night Fuel, Pebble Watch, Apple Watch, and LG. This is the reason I chose this device. Thank you.
I choose computer because many people are using computer at their house. It is easily to use. The advantage of computer is computer can store many of storages as much as can. It is easy to use by everyone to do their tasks as much as can. And then the speed of the computer is also very high whenever we use for any emergency or especially like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and so on. And also it reduces workload, like we get more information from the computer, and also it's easy to use by all people when emergency and to use for their personal or company and or education and so on. Moreover, computer is also a easy gadget which is we can use to print information from the computer and also internet. We can use computer to play games and also to search for any news. That's why I choose computer. Thank you.
Okay, I'm disagree with Dashmian's suggestion, which is computer, because computer can store data in its memory. However, if a wrong instruction is provided, it does not have brain to correct the wrong instruction. So we may follow the wrong things. So because of this, I disagree with computer.
I'm also not agree with Dashmin's suggestion. If you use the computer for a long time, it can cause a headache. Basically, it is caused by CVS syndromes. It happened due to the poor brightness of computer. Your eyes stare on a computer screen for a long time and improper workstation. This is my suggestion.
In conclusion, the electronic gadgets that we chosen to discuss in upcoming weeks are mobile phones, laptops, power banks, and smartwatch. In upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about each and every electronic gadgets in details. Please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. That's all from us. Thank you.